So today I am going to open the Elder Brain. I got this a while ago but have not opened it yet, and I hear that Wizkids is re-releasing the set, so it is a good time to show it off. So here we go. I love mind flayers, and I haven't used them in my current campaign, any of my current campaigns. I haven't used a mind flayer since I was young, so I'm really excited to terrorize my players with them. So here we go. Opening it up, and we've got the brain itself coming out. Look at that. Rising up out of the ooh. Stalagmites. I actually 3D print a lot, so I don't think I'll use these, or at least I'm not as excited about the stalactites as I am about the brain itself. Though they do make nice set dressing. I take it back, they look pretty cool. They look pretty cool. Especially the little ones. So there we go. And once again, for size comparison, our hapless and only half-painted Hero Forge figure, showing you how it's going.